Hey, good afternoon on this Wednesday, hump day, 28th of June, headed into end of June. Quarterly, get those quarterly SPX expiration on Friday. We had Powell today, going to begin tomorrow. And market did not like what he had to say today, but then kind of recovered toward the end of the day. But listen, remember this, okay? 15 in the ES is your main over-under. Right here, okay? It just is. It's the big HVN. In fact, you can see it back here, this big HVN from last week, right? So then we start off this week. Monday's high, 03. Tuesday's high, lower than that. Today we made a high for the week, but what is it? Wednesday, hump day, midweek shuffle, Wednesday. So it goes out near the highs toward the end of the day, but leaves balance back here in the middle. That's not a real productive sign. So what I'll be looking for is a short tomorrow. I know it's probably a, kind of contra sort of a call counter to what it looks like, but that's what I'll be looking for. Below 15, and it starts to then it's getting soft. Below 15 is your main deal here. Today's POC and last week's whatever right in there at 11 below that, and then it's down, right? And so targets down here. 83 and 70. Below 70, you know the number. We're looking down. It'd probably have to be Friday, but then we'll be looking down into 43.50. That's what I've really been looking for. It's a big fib on a daily, and it's the main, kind of HVN target below anything below 70. And that's it. That's really the gist of it. I mean, honestly, if it does go higher, then it's probably looking at 44, like 40 and maybe 50. But I'm actually looking the other direction. I'm looking south. Anything below 15 starts to, sort of get soft. And then, today's balance, and then there's weekly balance back here at 43.80 something, and then 70 below that. And of course, then you know what you're looking for. Remember, now if I switch gears for a second and quote SPX, okay, for a minute. SPX now. 43.77, it goes out today. All right, 43.20 is the target. Probably got to be Friday, maybe on that PCE. Remember, we got PCE Friday morning. So get that report, and maybe that's the deal. Maybe it's Powell tomorrow. Maybe it's the PCE on Friday, but whatever it takes. And I'm kind of looking forward to head back into that 43.20 level on the SPX. That's SPX. That's like 43, what would that be? 60 or something, I guess. Right, 60-ish, 50, 60 on the ES, but it's 20 on the SPX. That's it. That's what I got. Hope it helps. Good trade. Nice evening. We'll catch you again at the next update. Good night.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me